So I highlight it, I come into my share option, and over here there's a post. It's a simple menu item that you go into, and it's called post. It's the last menu item on the right when you're in the export dialog box. And then it'll say, where do you want to post to? And Family Search is your #1 option. And when I click on it, it opens up a dialog box asking me to log back in.
Okay.
And so when I do that, and once you do, then this image now is ready to go, and you could add a description. So for example, I could say Bachar children with grandfather, paternal grandfather. And so now I can hit post, and when I hit post, it'll publish. And what you'll see happen is you're going to get a little activity dialog box saying posting memories to Family Search. And now it's done.